Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. I'm from Turkey. I took written and practical exam courses from Dr. Raza and I passed both of the exam on my first attempt. I was so lucky to find Dr. Raza's course in the beginning of my journey. I didn't attend any other courses, just for one-day skilled OSCE course, just to exposure the exam environment. But other than that, I did everything with Dr. Raza. Especially with the technical part of the practical exam, I had my own setup. I sent my works to the Dr. Raza for the online assessment. I didn't spend lots of money because the other courses are really expensive. You really don't need to spend fortune just for the one course. This exam journey is so tiring and so expensive. With Dr. Raza, you can handle with everything very well. Specifically, his course is just straight on the point. Everything is so clear and you can find everything that you need. You don't have to confuse yourself with the other courses. Just one course, one solution for the ADC exam. And Dr. Raza's course was a game changer for me because he's extremely supportive. Whenever I ask some questions to him, I know I ask thousands of questions. Like every day I was just keep messaging him, especially when the exam date was very close. I was just keep messaging him, what's that, how was my work, that kind of things. But he always so patient with me and he was always so kind. He was so clear with the answers all the time. With the written exam, with the practical exam, I completely advise to take his course and just take his course. Don't take any other course apart from that. Don't make yourself confused.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Nisa. I moved to Australia 2 years ago and I started my ADC journey with Dr. Raza for both part 1 and part 2. I'm thrilled to share that I successfully cleared both exams in my first attempt. For part 1, the study material provided by Dr. Raza was more than enough. I simply followed his materials and took the mock exam with him, which were incredibly helpful. After every mock exam, he conducts a discussion session where he goes through all the questions one by one. I found his course to be very well structured and to the point. There are no exaggerations or self-praise. Everything is clear and focused, which made it easier to grasp complex concepts. For part 2, I took Dr. Raza's course again and followed the study materials he provided. His materials were more than insufficient even for the technical task. I did not attend any on-site courses. I did some skilled OSCE training elsewhere just to get an idea of how the real exam would be. But other than that, Dr. Raza's portal had everything that I needed, structured in a very organized way. If I ever had any confusion, he was always just a text away to clear things up. For our communication OSCE, Dr. Raza even sat down with me for a one-on-one discussion and guided me on how to approach the exam, showing me exactly what the ADC expects on the day. His meticulously structured curriculum combined with his expert guidance and created a learning environment that directly contributed to my success. My confidence and preparedness were greatly enhanced throughout the process. I wholeheartedly recommend this coaching program to any international dental graduate preparing for ADC exams. It provides a critical and impactful resource for thorough exam preparation, and I attribute much of my success to Dr. Raza's course. Best of luck, everyone.
I'm Dr. 𝘰𝘮𝘭𝘫𝘶. I'm originally from India. I moved to Perth 2 years back, and that's when I decided to take the ADC journey. I was with Dr. Raza for my part 1 and part 2. Regarding part 1, I would say the course portal has it all. The mock exams, the articles that's needed, the previous papers, it's all that's needed for your exam. So it's easy. Just follow what's in the portal is what I would say, and that's what I did. For part 2, like I said, I was in Perth, so I couldn't go for an on-site course. I just followed Dr. Raza's portal, which had these stepwise video on how you do each and every task, and that's what I followed. And at the end of the day, I used to send him my works, and he used to review and let me know where I need to improve further on. OSCEs, I only was with Dr. Raza again. So my sessions with him were one-on-one, which helped me understand what ADC expects and also how the person in front might react and how I need to understand the treatment plan better and do things. Technical OSCEs, I was not supposed to go anywhere, but Dr. Raza suggested that I go, and I did go because of that. So that gave me a better understanding of infection control and how things are when you are in that exam setup. So after that, I came back and I had 3 weeks before my exam, and that's when I gave mocks at home. And along with the mocks, I made sure I followed infection control. So that helped me a lot. Working with Dr. Raza is very easy because he's a very helpful and considerate man. He knows exactly what the student needs and also what ADC expects. So the motivation push or a little scolding, whatever it is, he does it and you're good to go. Also, he's been a very strong support system during this ADC journey because he knows it's not easy and we are all struggling through our journey. So I would always recommend Dr. Raza for ADC because that's what helped me clear. For the future aspirants, I would just like to say that there are a lot of information everywhere. Collect it from the right person. Don't go around collecting from everyone. And I think if you are already with Dr. Raza, you're already on the right track, so you have nothing to worry. Lastly, for your exams, stay calm and composed, and you're all good to go because that's what matters most importantly. So all the best and thank you.
Hi, my name is 𝘰𝘰𝘮𝘭𝘠𝘵 and I am originally from the Philippines, and I'm a former student of Dr. Raza. Well, my ADC journey was not easy. It took me 6 months to prepare for my practical exams, and Dr. Raza's course has helped me a lot with it. I have a clinic-based setting for my practice, and because Dr. Raza has a very detailed information on how we can practice and the guidelines from ADC, I was able to practice by myself and just letting him check some of my works. Dr. Raza's course is very detailed and organized as well. It helped me a lot in acing my 𝘤𝘰𝘮𝘭𝘢𝘵 exam, which led to me passing. Well, I know that ADC is not easy. It's hard. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of time. But even if it's difficult, you know it's doable. Nothing is impossible with hard work. See it and you can do it.